In this 1 minute video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram stories not deleting. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, your Android or iOS, and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is search for Instagram and click on it. After you click on it, now just click here down on open by default and make sure that this option right here, open supported links in the app, it's on always allow. Go back, click here on force stop, and then go to the data usage and make sure that all those options from the roaming data to the mobile data are enabled. Go back and now turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone and turn it on again, and then reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.